How's it going? It's Tim. I'm a commercial photographer and video maker in the UK. Now, over the last few years, I've tried playing with TikTok and it's never really caught my attention. But recently, there's a whole new breed popping up, which are like the fast transition videos. And people must be spending hours and hours cutting these things together within TikTok. I got to thinking, actually, as these trends build, they're kind of interesting for more commercial projects as well, for social media posts and grabbing attention. So I thought, you know what, let's pull these apart a bit, get to know how they're done, make a few using my DSLR and Adobe Premiere, and maybe it can inspire some of the businesses to have a go at putting some of this funky stuff into their Instagram posts and Facebook streams and all that kind of good stuff. So I can show you what I'm talking about. Here's some examples. See, I mean, it's crazy, right? They spend hours and hours. So, I mean, the first one we're going to talk about is the easiest one. And that's like a clothing quick change. Now, I've seen that in one of my previous videos, and it goes something like that. Now, not super complicated. Case of slam the t-shirt into you, cut, put the top on, zip it up or whatever you've got to do, and then boom, back out, and a harsh cut. If you want more detail on that one, I'll put a link up here to the previous video that talked about that, or maybe a link down below as well, and you can check out that in more detail. So with that super easy one out the way, I'll show you my own take on these videos at the end of this, so keep watching. The spinning hat. Now, this is clearly a lot easier with the bucket hats that these kids are using when they make their TikTok videos. This baseball cap, kind of harder to spin on your finger, but it really is all it is. The subject moves their head really close to the camera, and it sort of fills the shot with a hat. Quick cut, spin the hat on your finger. Like I say, easy with a bucket hat. And then head back up, a few quick cuts, super simple. I would recommend though not using a baseball cap, they're just not balanced properly. Then we've got a head spin. Now the idea of this is the head goes whoop, and like an owl, keeps going and back out the other side. Now this is super simple. You need 3 shots. You need a shot going that way, you need a shot coming back, and then a shot where you actually turn your top around if it's got identifying features. Turn your top around 180 degrees, you turn your whole body around, so then the top's facing the right way and you're facing the other way, and then you can turn your head that way for the back to show the back of your head. You cut those together, bang, 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 and you get a relatively realistic head spin. All these things are designed to be in quick succession with each other, so you haven't really got time to think, so you can get away with relatively rough cuts. Obviously, the more people make these, the better they get, and you can get really obsessive about it and become extremely good. But for me and probably a lot of my viewers, this is about stuff we can turn around pretty quickly without too much practice for clients. Now the next one is a head toss. Now the appearance of this shot is you've taken your head off and then tossed it back up and caught it on your shoulders. The first shot in the sequence is bringing the head down to fill the frame. Then you've got to take that hat you're wearing. Good point. A beanie hat is ideal for this. So you take your hat off, you stuff it with a similar colour t-shirt, and sort of package it in as tight as you can to create like a head type shape. Then you've got to take off the top you're wearing and put it over a pillow. Now with the pillow balanced on your chair to make the effect of a torso, you can get down low behind and toss your head back up onto the shoulders. You have a harsh cut there, back up onto your chair, top back on, hat back on, and a bit of a boop jolt to sell the effect, and boom, you've got a take your head off, head toss, catch transition. Awesome, right? And the last one is the sort of head grab flip. The effect is you've reached forward and pulled up, and you replace yourself, or someone else could replace you, I suppose, but for this, you're replacing yourself. So for this, you come in forwards with your hand. Again, your hand is sort of filling the frame, and you pull up. Then you get changed into your next outfit, have your head down nice and low, grab your own head, and you pull it up. So you kind of, then with a jump cut between the two in just the right place, you can get the effect of you pulling up and you appearing and replacing yourself. So I hope that all makes sense, and I hope you like it. I think it's made quite a fun little video. I bunged it on my Instagram over the weekend and people seem to dig it. So yeah, if you like this video, hit like. If you like this kind of video which sort of shows how to make cool photography and video things, hit subscribe. I'm aiming for 2 videos a week, and I'll catch you later. See ya.